I'm hunting for symmetry in every mistake. The beauty of errors is all that I make. I've learned the vibration of every star, but I'm most fascinated by exactly what we are. My favorite loop is the one that I break.